Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all my bakery business plan template that I've updated for 2023. And in some aspects of it, I've used artificial intelligence for the writing and edited by an MBA. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this presentation. And the way it's going to work is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll show you all the updates I've made to the bakery business plan template, and again, in some aspects, using artificial intelligence. All right, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and dive into the star of the show, which is my bakery business plan template, specifically the updates that I've made for 2023, again, in some aspects using artificial intelligence. So the title page didn't change. It's going to be the same. For the table of contents, I did add some sections to the table of contents, and so I'll go ahead and explain to you where those changes have been made. All right, so the first change that I made is in the bakery summary, I did add some aspects using artificial intelligence, and it did go ahead and spruce up the writing a little bit. As embarrassing as it is for me as an MBA and a writer to say, the AI did do some pretty good job as long as it's limited. The AI really tends to be very wordy, but if you edit it and it's succinct, then some of the aspects you are able to extrapolate and use, which is what I've done for this template. So the business plan, the bakery summary, I did use a little bit of artificial intelligence in it for the writing. Target market, financial highlights, funding requests, all that information pretty much stayed the same as the previous generation. For the company description, again, pretty similar to the original. And what I did use is I did use some artificial intelligence for the bakery items. And again, it did a real good job coming up with some creative wordings to it. I've got some areas highlighted as to some of the information you do need to change. So make sure you do that. Company description, all that good stuff is going to stay the same as the previous generation of my template. Industry analysis, I've updated that using IBIS World, so this information is up to date for 2023. And for this year, I did add product and services segmentation, so I've expanded upon the industry research using the IBIS World, so now you've got a little bit more meat in the bone for that aspect of it. SWOT analysis pretty much still stayed the same as the previous year. Organizational structure still stayed the same, a legal structure, and then you've got your job responsibilities, and then the organizational chart, you're able to edit that. Marketing section, I did update the marketing section, so I've added more customization for y'all to be able to make for the internet marketing as well as the social media marketing, so that changed for this year. And then funding requests still stayed the same as the previous year. And then the financial projections, the actual output for the financial projections is the same. You've got your 12-month profit and loss statement, and then you still have your income statement for the next 5 years. But I did update the financial model, and for the financial model on the projections tab, in the profit and loss tab, you are now able to make changes to the revenues on a monthly basis right here. So you can change the sales growth on a monthly basis for the first 12 months using this tab and this segment right here. And now that's going to allow you to better show what you anticipate your first year's revenues to be on, and you can customize it again on a month-to-month basis. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.